Hello everybody, this is Jim Ogrozinski with this week's Screencast video. So, as I say here in my announcement, it is drafting week. All right. The formative activities that we've been working on through the discussion boards over the last few weeks, right, have been completed. Topics, sources, and a few paragraphs weaving source material should be all ready to help everyone with their first draft for the proposal argument. So this week's schedule, the first draft and peer report are due Tuesday end of day. Friday end of day, the peer reviews are due to be uploaded to Blackboard, and the final draft of SA3 will be due Sunday end of day. This week's lecture video will be about MLA guidelines and proofing. So that would be an interesting video to watch before preparing your final draft for submission of SA3. So just to hit up the discussion, not discussion boards, the course units, I'm sorry. Remember, as you're getting ready to draft, you want to read the instructions one more time so everyone is aware. The first draft, being 80% of the final, is about 1,000 words. So the final essay draft must be 1,250 words. Your first draft must be 80% of that, which works out to be about 1,000. And that's not including the works cited page. So be aware of that as you prepare your drafts. Also, some people use the library resources to produce their sources for SA3. If you need some additional information, you might want to double check with the library, the COD library, to find a couple of more sources to help you write that essay. If you're coming up short on content, you might need 4 or 5 sources as opposed to just 3. Now I want to remind everybody about the principles of citation. So introduce the sources showing starting and ending points and the cross-reference, right? So they have to be able, or I should say I have to be able to cross-reference your sources from an in-text citation to the matching citation in the works cited page. That's very important. So I commented in the discussion boards just to let people know how they were going about referring to the sources or leading into the sources. Remember, we have academic conversations with the authors, with people, not with articles, okay, or web pages, with people. So always try to refer to the author when engaging about a source material. So I'd say that's just about it for the week. Oh, sorry. In the drive folder, I knew I had to get someplace else, is the proposal folder has been created. You will see the copy of the peer review report all ready to go. Make sure you make a copy and rename it before you start working in that form so everybody can benefit from the shared experience as far as completing that report. So it's out there for everyone. And also the peer review groups for SA3 are there for everybody to look at. I'm thinking they're pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. They might have been updated that from SA2. So we've got 2 groups. It should work out that everybody should be able to find something to peer review. All right. So let's get back over to the announcements once again. Drafting week. First drafts, peer report, peer reviews, final draft due by the end of the week. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Stay safe out there and good luck.